Hi, I'm Plexi Cosplay. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I made my shrimp hand prop for my Beetlejuice cosplay. It's actually pretty simple, but it's pretty fun to do. So let's get started. To get started, you're going to buy a cheap pair of latex work gloves. I just went to Walmart. They're just a few dollars, but I'm going to put them in the link below, or you can get them online. You're going to put those on your hand because it's way easier to paint this way and start doing your base colors. I do a white base color for the inside of the shrimp hand. Add some airbrush for low lights, highlights if you have it. If not, you can do this with just a regular paintbrush. And then begin doing your detail lines on top. I chose a light pinkish color for the veins of the shrimp. And then after you allow these layers to dry, you can start doing more highlights and lowlights. Your time on this painting part, it's a lot of fun. Once you're done, it can look really impressive, and it's just hand paint. But from there, we need a little more. There's some shrimp tails that stick out on the ends of the fingers. So what I do is I took some plastic paper protectors or sheet protectors and cut them into just little panels. They're kind of like a little candy corn shape. And then glue the thin end of the candy corn shape to the end of your finger to make the tails. I put about 6 of these little pieces to make the tails on each finger. Glue them, and then don't forget to paint over them at the end. I did a dark red for the tail color. Now for me, I wanted this prop to not just look like a glove on my hand, so I wanted to add it to the inside of a bowl. I just bought a cheap plastic bowl. Again, I'm going to put them in the link below. I cut out the middle of the bottom of the bowl. You just need to make sure that it's wide enough to stick your arm through. And then I used contact cement on the inside rim of the bottom part of that bowl, as well as just the outside bottom rim of the glove to attach that together. Don't forget to try it on. Obviously, that's the best part of this. I'm going to attach this to a belt so that I can sneak my hand into the shrimp hand and then scare people. Fun times. So I hope you had a fun time making your prop. Go ahead and find me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next convention.